Hello everyone, my name is Tejas Srikanth Sutar. Today's date is 12th November 2022. Today's video topic is difference between constructor and methods of a method. As we know, Java strictly follows the OOPS concept. As OOPS concept contains variables and methods and contains class. Java class contains constructor and method. Before understanding the difference between constructor and method, let's recall the constructor and methods. First is constructor. Constructor is used to initialize an object. Constructor contains collection of statements, that is instructions that are executed at the time of object creation. Each time an object is created by using new keyword at least one constructor. The constructor is invoked to assign the initial values to the members to the data members and the same class. The constructor is used to initializing the object state. Constructor can contains data members and member functions. The syntax of object creation is object reference variable is equal to new keyword object name common bracket. Syntax of constructor is access modifier constructor name in the curly braces method body. Now next is a method. Method it is a collection of statements that perform a specific task. Method can reduces the length and repetitive code. It returns value to the caller. It is also called it is also reduces the complexity of a code. The best features of method is allows us to reuse the code without retyping the code. The syntax of method is access modifier return type method name in braces parameters and curly braces method body. Now see the difference between the constructor and method. First is constructor. It is a state of it is a block of code that is initialize newly created an object. Method is a collection of statement which is returns a value at the time of its execution. Next is constructor. Constructor it is used to initialize an object. Method it is consist of Java code that is executed. Constructor invoked by the system and the method called by caller. Next is fourth one is it is called when the object created, and method is called through the method caller. Constructor doesn't have return type. Method must have return type. Constructor name must be the same name of a class name. Method name should be anything. In a constructor, class can have many constructor, but must not have same parameters. In method, class in method have many in the class can have many methods, but must not have same parameters. Constructor is inherited by the subclass, cannot be inherited by the subclass, and method can be inherited by the subclass. Thank you.